Adversity is a stepping stone for success. प्रतिकूलतयो यशस्सिन मेट्टिलो. सफलतायाः कृते एकः पदातिशीला अस्ति. प्रतिकूलता सफलता के लिए एक कदम है. Let us go through a video describing about this particular aspects in the journey of life.
Adversity faced at younger days included financial difficulties, loss of earning members in the family, and associated challenges for having been born in a small village which had only a primary school with limited facilities. To overcome adversity, I worked on weekends and school holidays in the matchstick manufacturing industry, situated 4 kilometers away from the village, walking on bare feet, earning 3 pays an hour and a maximum of 24 pays a day for 8 hours of work. I also learnt to repair clocks and watches from a watch repair shop where the owner gave free training. Worked in an automobile garage doing work involving dismantling of engines of vehicles which came for repair and servicing, cleaning of parts, washing vehicles, and learnt driving vehicles including but not limited to Land Rover tractor which had 2 fuel tanks. One for petrol which was used as fuel during starting and just before stopping the engine to keep it ready to start on petrol the next time, and another tank for crude oil used during normal running period in between. Tractors with single-cylinder engines of Russian make models D10 and D14, multi-cylinder engine-powered Willys 4-wheel drive Jeeps and station wagons, Fargo and Dodge trucks and buses, Ambassador, Standard Herald and Fiat cars, and even bulldozers, which had a petrol engine to be started first using hand cranking, and a main diesel engine which was started using the running petrol engine, and once the diesel engine was started, the petrol engine was stopped as it has served its primary purpose. Also worked in touring cinema theaters, and learnt operating the Bauer Make film projector, which used consumable carbon arc electrodes for illumination. All these opportunities helped to learn the engineering subjects, easily supplemented with the books donated by the motor garage owner, and used clothes donated by the owners of the vehicles who brought their vehicles for needed repair and servicing in the garage to wear. Making use of the facilities in the library, spending sleepless nights, became first in class and first in the institution, which helped in a big way to get admission in the #1 institution of higher learning in the country, to get a postgraduate degree in mechanical engineering, as well as receiving the President of India Award from the Indian Society of Theoretical and Applied Mechanics for the investigations carried out on the topic related to determination of stress intensity factors, using finite element and photoelastic techniques. The rest was the golden era for celebration, which gave opportunity to undergo systematic flying training in fixed and rotary wing aircrafts for general and recreational aviation. Through experience, learnt beyond doubt that adversity is a stepping stone for success, as it gives the power to achieve greatness and fulfill the dreams through perseverance, determination and resilience during the journey of life. Excellent tuitions. Learn free at any place. Learn free at any time. Learn free at any pace. Welcome to Mathavara Dual Institute of Technology, the free virtual learning center for everybody. Become an eminent scientist, professor, engineer, innovator in the shortest possible time and in the simplest possible way. Learn almost all subjects which are normally taught related to mechanical and aeronautical engineering branches in engineering colleges and polytechnics, and common subjects of all other disciplines. Free at your own place, at your own time and at your own pace, with or without the need for constant internet connectivity. To attend free virtual learning online classes through Zoom, please send your name, the class in which you are studying, and the name of the subject in which you wish to attend free online classes by WhatsApp message to +91 98440273771, or by email to excellenttuitions@yahoo.com to receive the Zoom link to attend at mutually convenient timings. Mathavara Dual Institute of Technology is the free virtual learning center for everybody. The vision and mission are to provide free learning opportunities to everybody who has a burning desire to become an eminent scientist, professor, engineer, or innovator in the shortest possible time and in the simplest possible way. MDAIT provides a unique opportunity to everybody irrespective of their geographical location to learn free at any place, at any time, and at any pace, without the need for constant internet connectivity, or without the need for a SIM card in mobile or tablet. Everybody is welcome to just send their brief bio data clearly specifying their name, the class in which they are studying, the name of the subject or subjects in which tuitions are required along with the syllabus, and either model question papers or question papers of previous examinations, to get the link to join the free virtual tutorial and training sessions through Zoom. Generally, the free tutorial and training is available in almost all subjects of engineering diploma, as well as undergraduate courses otherwise commonly known as engineering degree courses or equivalents such as BE, AME, AMASI, B.Tech, to mention a few in mechanical and aeronautical engineering branches. However, some of the subjects are common for students studying in PUC, B.C, BBM, BCA, B.Com, MCA, and other equivalent diploma as well as degree-level courses of study, and hence useful for all students studying in these courses also. Invariably, several parents and guardians request tutorial and training classes for the students studying in lower classes, such as primary, secondary, higher secondary, or pre-university or pre-engineering courses, which will also be provided free of cost through a virtual platform via Zoom. The different modes of joining the free virtual sessions available to the learners are: join the free virtual session through the link supplied, which needs internet connection. To make it free, the learners can join wherever and whenever free Wi-Fi is available to minimize expenses. This online mode gives opportunities to actively participate with the faculty and other participants in the free virtual sessions. Although the lessons provided are generally correct, clear and complete in all respects, and there will not be any doubts left in the mind of the learners, every keystroke is itself an important source of error. If such a thing happens for any reason whatsoever, it will be certainly clarified in the subsequent free virtual sessions that are followed. For the benefit of those who could not join the free virtual sessions for any reason whatsoever, the recorded and unedited video of the virtual sessions will be made available through YouTube, which may be viewed either wherever and whenever free Wi-Fi is available, or if there is internet connection available to learn the subject taught at any convenient place, at any convenient time, and at any convenient pace to become an eminent scientist, professor, engineer, or innovator in the shortest possible time and in the simplest possible way. The learners are free to download the video recordings of the free virtual tutorial and training sessions onto their mobile or to a USB pen drive so that the pen drive can be inserted into the USB input port of an ordinary TV to view the lessons any number of times without the need for constant internet connectivity to become an expert in the subject taught. In addition to providing the free virtual learning opportunities to the interested learners, MDAIT also provides unlimited opportunities to enhance their skill and productivity by conducting free virtual programs through Zoom to develop interest and participate in technical talk competitions, technical essay writing competitions, technical debates, technical paper presentation competitions, memory improvement programs, creative artwork, and so on, to mention a few. For more details, the interested learners are welcome to send their requirements, honest opinions, meaningful suggestions, and constructive criticisms to improve the quality and clarity of the presentations to be made in the future free virtual sessions. In addition, those who are willing to part with their knowledge and experience gained over the decades are welcome to join in the efforts made by MDAIT to provide free education for everybody through these virtual programs in the best interest of the younger generation in mind. The participants and viewers of these free virtual tutorials and training sessions are welcome to spread this message through all with whom they are in contact, so that somebody in some corner of the world will get some benefit out of these free virtual learning sessions.